Hi everyone, welcome back to PSLE Math 2023 Paper 2 question series, and in this video I'll be going to question 12. So let's take a look at it. So this is question 12, and this question is testing us on circles. So let's read the question. The figure shows 6 circles, each of radius 7 cm. Each circle touches the circle next to it. So when they say radius 7 cm, what do they mean? They mean that from this point to this point, it's 7 cm. Radius, not diameter. Then let's read part A. Find the perimeter of the shaded part. So this requires a lot of visualization. So let's look into the diagram bigger. So this is the same diagram. Now let's zoom more into this. So they ask for the perimeter of the figure, perimeter of the shaded part. So, can you show me which is the perimeter of the shaded part? If you say that this is the perimeter, then you are correct. So this is the perimeter of the figure. So now how do we find the perimeter of the figure? We can't find the perimeter of this part. So how do we do it? Let's erase everything. So do you notice that first we have a full quarter, 3/4 circle of perimeter here, and we have another 1/4 of perimeter here. So 3/4 plus 1/4 is how much? If you say it's one full circle, is correct. The 3/4 circle plus 1/4 circle equals a full circle. So here there is another half circle and here a half circle. So half circle plus half circle equals full circle. Then here there's another 3/4 circle and 1/4 circle. So just like the first one, it is a full circle. So if you count, the perimeter is actually just 3 full circles. Do you realize? The perimeter is just 3 full circles. So now let's go back to the question and solve. So the circumference of 3 circles is 3 times 2 pi r or pi d. So myself, I suggest to use pi d because 2 pi r might be confusing for some of you because the numbers appear in all the circle formulas. Like area of a circle is also pi r squared, and all the same numbers are repeated. So I advise you to use pi d to not get confused. So now, circumference of 3 circles is 3 times 22/7 times 14. Because the radius is 7, so the diameter is 14. 132. So this is your answer for part A. 132 cm. Now let's move on to part B. So this is part B. Find the area of the shaded part. So how are we going to do that? So we know that this is a full circle, and we can find the area of 3 full circles. 1, 2, and 3. By taking 3 times pi times r times r. So let's do that. 3 circles is 3 times 22/7 times 7 times 7, which is 462 cm squared. Now, how are we going to find the area of this diamond-shaped thing? So, let me erase everything and show you. So, when we zoom in here, you will notice that when you split this into 2, do you realize that this is a square along along each diameter? So this distance is a diameter and this is a diameter because this is a radius and this is also a radius, so total diameter. Then we can find the area of these quarter circles. So do you realize that when you find the area of the square and minus the area of the quarter circles, you will get this diamond shape? So let's do that now. We'll find the area of the square by taking 14 times 14, which is 196 cm squared. Then the area of 4 quarter circles is actually 1 full circle. So 4 quarter circles, wait, I'll write this again. 4 quarter circles equals 1 full circle. So 4 quarter circles is 1 full circle. So 22/7 times 7 times 7 is 154. Then the diamond shape is 196 square minus 154 the circle, which is 42 cm squared. So 2 diamond shape is 42 times 2, which is 84. And finally, we can take 84 plus 462 to get 546 cm squared. So this is your answer for this question, 546 cm squared. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.